Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Wednesday, May the 5th. The time is around 1:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So here we are looking at the chart of the DAX and we're looking for the index to complete this wave 4 soon. We have reached the blue box area, okay, with the right side up and bullish sequence. So this is based on a zigzag ABC here, has already reached the 100% extension. So this should stay above 14662, which is the 161.8. If it continues to go down and break below here, there is a risk this becomes a 1, 2, 3, and then it continues down. Okay, so it is important for this view to remain valid that it has to stay above 1.618, otherwise it can become wave 3 from this peak. Okay, so as long as we do not break below that lower level bound, we can continue to go to new high again from the DAX, or at least it should give us a 3-ways reaction from the DAX. Now if you take a look at the US indices, the Dow for example has started to bounce a little bit. I mean, it actually starts to bounce pretty strongly from the Dow futures, so there is a chance this can also start to bounce anytime soon. With or without this marginal low, it doesn't matter whether we make that marginal low or not. Alright, we could have also finished and then starts to reverse in 3 ways at least. Now let's take a look here at the larger degree for our chart. Remember this 3 and 4 in the minor degree here. Okay, so this is the same 3 and 4 here. So then if this is 3 and 4, this is the 1 and 2. So we're talking about the cycle that started from January 28 low here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you measure the extension from this low, now we can see we got a clear extension within this wave 3, which is typical in Elliott Wave. 3 is the strongest and the large, the strongest and the longest wave typically, and extension wise it has already reached more than 161.8% Fibonacci extension, right? So now we are doing this wave 4 correction, and again in the 1 hour chart showing we are already in the area where we can find support anytime. Now in Elliott Wave theory also, wave 4, if you look at it from the retracement perspective, typically end somewhere around 23.6, 38.2% retracement of the wave 3, right? So if you do that, let's say you do the retracement analysis, then you will find out that we have already hit the 23.6, now is getting close to the 38.2. So yeah, so this is within the area where wave 4 typically ends also, and ideally wave 4, if you look at it from the retracement, ideally does not go below 50% retracement of the wave 3. Okay, so so that's what we are looking at here. We're looking at the DAX soon to find buyers and either extend to new high, or at least bouncing in 3 ways at least from this area over here. Now as always, now as long as we don't break below 14,662, if we break below that, then there is a chance we can get a 5 ways down from this peak. Alright, so if you want to get regular updates on the DAX or any other indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to join our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.